I don't want any one of us, number one, me, is to just becomes the norm. Oh, Gaza again. Okay. We get bored. Human beings get bored and we get very much used to it. Even if you go to the news now, right? Like if you see, everything is now becoming more important. Like I looked this morning and at least it was number 7 or 8. Although what I got a text from Gaza was a really bad night. Subhanallah. So for us, at least, we need to keep reminding ourselves, thinking of them, making dua for them, see what you can do, and then keep talking about it. And on Sunday, subhanallah, I arrived home, and the first thing I get when I opened my phone was a text from Gaza saying, Jazakumullahu khairan, please pass this to all the team. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Even if we're not going to do anything that we see, but at least we are making them happy and making them feel that there's people who care about them. Anytime any of us, especially when you feel lonely or you're alone, and then suddenly you feel or you see a text message or a phone call or somebody says something, that there's somebody cares about you. You're not the only one, let alone if you are living the way they are living and all the suffering they are going through. So keep doing it. Don't feel tired, don't feel bored, and don't feel hopeless or helpless. Both is not allowed.